Meaning of eloquent.
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 Eloquent. Eloquent means being able to express oneself beautifully and persuasively through language. Someone who is eloquent has a way with words and can use language effectively to convey their thoughts and ideas. They are skilled at articulating their thoughts and emotions, and can captivate an audience with their speaking or writing abilities. An eloquent person can inspire, motivate, and move others with their words, and can make complex ideas seem simple and easy to understand. Overall, being eloquent is a valuable and impressive skill to possess in both personal and professional settings.